This is the training for the W70 Yealink Cordless Handset. In an idle state, the left and right of the radial dial will control the volume of the ringtone of the handset. While on a call, the radial buttons will control the volume of the caller. While on speaker, these keys will control the volume of the loudspeaker. To make a call, there is no need to dial any 9 prefix. Simply dial the number direct. And then press the green dial key. The handset also has the option for a speakerphone. Simply press the speaker key before dialing or during a call. To come off from hands-free, simply press the speaker button again. To end a call, simply press the red hang-up key. To transfer a call, press the Options button and select Transfer. Dial the extension number you require, and press the green key to dial it. When the extension answers, you can announce the call. When they are ready, you can simply press Transfer again to put the call through. If they do not wish to take the call, press End, and this will return you to your held call. In this case, we will transfer the call. To answer an incoming call, simply press the green answer key. To place a call on hold, press the Options key and select Hold. Once a call is on hold, a symbol will appear in the display to indicate this. To return to the held call, press the Resume key. To lock the handset to prevent any accidental dialing, press and hold the hash key. You will get a notification telling you the handset is now locked. To unlock the handset, press and hold the hash key again until you get the notification on the screen.